Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Luke back, and today I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get paid just by walking. So the first thing that you have to do is just open the link in the description, which should take you to a page which looks like this. Make sure you've opened that on your phone, by the way. Click on get it on Google Play or get it on the App Store, whatever you have. So I'm just going to click on get it on Google Play. It should just open the app because I've already downloaded this, but if you guys haven't downloaded it, you'll just have to quickly register. It doesn't take too long. And yeah, once you're registered, you can open this. And as you can see, I've done 4,000 steps today, and I've already earned 2 coins, 0.71, and altogether I've earned 32.08. So yeah, it's super easy to earn coins. If you swipe right, you can buy a bunch of stuff. I can already buy a bunch of stuff, but I think I'm just going to save all mine for now. So yeah, you can buy all this. They add new things every day. And if you swipe to the left, you should have me as a friend if you use the link. And yeah, that's about it. But if you invite your friends, you can also get 5 coins for free right here. And yeah, that's about it. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.